Okay, so on the like inner or on the outer third of my lid, I'm gonna use ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. Really? Anyways. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Jasmine and I'm the Glamazon. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look by one of my all-time favorite beauty gurus. She was actually one of the first beauty gurus I ever watched when I started watching YouTube, and she is actually one of the reasons I even have a channel. Her name's Carli Bybel, and she has the sweetest soul. I know you don't really know someone like through a screen, but like just the sweetest soul, I can tell. So she actually posted a look in January, and when I saw it, I just kept watching the video and I'm obsessed with it. I was obsessed with the look. Like I was like, yes, like everything about it was just like screaming at me, speaking to me. So I decided to recreate this look for a Valentine's Day tutorial. I mean, I would wear this for Valentine's Day or date night or anything like that. It's just this super pretty purpley pink and like copper eye look. I'll place a picture of the look somewhere. I don't know, but I'll place it, and I'll actually link that video down below so you can see her do it. This is just how I do it. I'm not even using all the same stuff as her. But yeah, I think it came out pretty similar and pretty good. So if you want to see my Carli Bybel inspired Valentine's Day tutorial, then just keep watching. I don't know, but I'll place it, and I'll actually link that video down below so you can see her do it. This is just how I do it. I'm not even using all the same stuff as her. But yeah, I think it came out pretty similar and pretty good. So if you want to see my Carli Bybel inspired Valentine's Day tutorial, then just keep watching. Alright, so I know I look hella weird and hella flat right now, but it's only because I don't have any dimension and or contour going on my face yet. But we're just gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow. I've already done my brows, and I've also already applied my base. If you're wondering what base I use the NYX eyeshadow base. It's kind of I want to say it's similar to a paint pot, but not really, because paint pot is literally a cream eyeshadow and that's a base, but that's how I use it. And I just used a fat little eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques to like buff it onto the lid. This is just so like the color shows up better, especially because I'm a deeper skin tone. So first I'm going to start off by using her palette because she uses it in her video. It's not going to be an exact recreation, it's kind of just, it's inspired, but I'm still using some of the products that she used. So I'm using her Deluxe Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going in to this mauve shade right here. And I'm going to be using a Morphe N200 brush, and then I'm just going to put that all over my crease. I'm just doing it until I get the desired intensity I want. And then I'm going to blend it just to make sure I don't have it. So on the outer third of my lid here, I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow Press Pigment. Super Shock Press Pigment in Fantasy. And I'm just taking this MAC 242 brush, and I'm just gonna dab it in here. And her lids are like much bigger than mine. Like, no bless her. I wish I had that kind of lid space, but I don't, so we're making it work. And I'm putting it like under the crease shade and like kind of bringing it over. Alright, so next I'm going to use a Huda Beauty product. It's the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition. So I'm just going in here and I'm using the color Bossy. And I'm gonna put that like in the outer V and then blend right up under the crease area there. And for that, I'm using a MAC 217 brush. Literally my favorite eyeshadow brush of all time. It's literally the best eyeshadow brush of all time. And you don't want it to like overtake that original crease color. You kind of want it like in the corner here and then like underneath and going over. I'm gonna go back into that ColourPop shade and like reinforce that shadow because I feel like I lost some of it when I was putting in the deeper one. You just don't want to be able to see it. In this area, I'm just patting it so it's still nice and like blended and like rubbing out towards this area. Okay, so going back into her palette, and I'm gonna use this little matte, like kind of white shade here. I'm just using a flat VH Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have like a number or anything. It honestly came with a set, so can't really tell you too much about it, but it's a great brush. And I'm putting that on the inner third. And kind of dragging it down into the corner. And I'm just kind of bringing it onto the purple shadow there so it creates that fade. Okay, so the next palette I'm going into is the Kylie's Diary palette, which is so, I don't know, it's just so accurate for this toot that we're doing here. And I'm going into the shade Loves Me Not, and I'm gonna use a different brush in case I need that one again. I'm gonna use this guy. It's like a little painter brush, and I'm just going into it here. I'm gonna put this kind of in the center. I'm like patting it on there more than I'm rubbing it. And then just for the last time, I'm going to reinforce that purple shadow. So then I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is from Sigma. This is an E30. I'm going to go into the shade Cocoa, honestly. And just really define the crease there. And like I said, I don't really have as much lid space, so sometimes my colors get lost, so I have to like reinforce them. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into her palette and I'm gonna grab this little shimmery gold pink shade thing. And I'm gonna put it over where we put that other pink shade, if that makes sense. And because I want a more intense version of that, I'm going to put MAC's pigment in the color Rose on top of it. So I'm literally going to take this same little brush and pat it on top. Okay, so then I'm going to take another pencil brush and I'm just going to go into the color Bossy from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go under the lash line. Then I'm going to take the Kylie's Diary shade and Loves Me Not and do the same thing. And then I also want this ColourPop shadow, like, on the bottom as well. So I'm using this pigment from Inglot. Is number 63. It's number 63. They don't really have shade names, or last time I checked, they didn't have shade names. I'm just gonna use a flat little brush and pick up what's in the cap and just tap it over the center here. And then I'm gonna do it on the bottom as well. And I literally can't function without an inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna go ahead and add one. I'm gonna use the color Trust Fund from the Huda Beauty palette and just put that there. Okay, so then I'm gonna add eyeliner. I'm going to use the NYX Slide On Glide On black eyeliner. I'm gonna line my upper water lash line because that's how I do it. And then the lower. Then I'm using MAC's Brushstroke liner and Brushblack. I'm just gonna use this to create some winged liner. And then I'm just gonna add mascara. I'm using MAC's Hot and Naughty 2 Black Lash. This is my favorite mascara right now. It's an obsession. I'm using it through the top. And as you can see, I made a what-oh, so I'm gonna let that dry and go ahead and do the other side and add some lashes, and then we'll come back and finish the rest of the face. Okay, so that completes the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush. I'm gonna be using Urban Decay's Naked Blush in Sesso, and I'm just using this blush out of here. This is Real Techniques blush brush, just because this is like my perfect pink. And then I'm going to go ahead and do highlighter. I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. It is my favorite highlighting brush of all time. Pretty sure I don't use anything else anymore because I can't highlight without this. And then I'm just going to be using Jeffree Star's Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. And I'm going to be doing my lips, so I'm going to line my lips with this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Los Angeles. Then I'm going to be using a MAC lipstick in Del Rio. Guys, I swear I wear Del Rio like every day. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Jouer lip cream and Papaye. press it in the center, might mix it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray. I'm using Mario Badescu's facial spray, the rose water, and I'm just gonna douse my face in it. And then I'm gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my kitty ears on because they're cute. But that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It's not gonna be exact just because I have much smaller eyes than her, but I like it. It looks good. So thumbs up this video if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this recreation of Carli Bybel's makeup. Yeah, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.